Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to do something a little bit different with my hair. Well, not different because I've done it before. I'm gonna put some beads on my hair and maybe do a style. Before I do my style, this platinum shine spray, don't nobody want no dull, dry, thirsty looking locks, okay? And this smells so good. Beads from Amazon. They are 15. Oh, it's a 9mm hole and then 15mm length. And this size actually fits my locks. A lot of people are like, where do you find beads that fit your locks? But you really just have to look at the millimeter size. And Amazon, like Amazon and your local beauty supply store has them also. Okay, so I got 2 packs of these. I think I'm gonna do some of the clear sparkly ones too. I think that'll be cute, like together. I don't really care about placement. I just put them wherever I feel called to put them, because don't nobody got time. Look how easily look how easy this goes onto my lock. That's cute, right? Yeah, that's cute. This is how I put mine on. I wrap the rubber band around and then I just go to town. Ooh, but it's so hard with these nails, especially because of the charms. Like, they're in the way. But yeah, there's one. Look how freaking cute. Alright, so this is the final look. I ran out of beads. So this is what it is. This is my favorite hairstyle if you haven't noticed. Half up, half down, pineapple. But something told me to put in this lock spiral and it's just eating them up. It's just like, I need to get more of these. I need to, yeah, cause like eating. I wish I had more beads, but this is gonna do what it needs to do. And oh, I love it. It's so cute. But yeah, that's it.